Welcome to Empire Crypto TV here with Stone on this Friday afternoon, if you are in Africa, of course. And looking at the chart, looking at the BTC, cryptocurrency, everything that has to do with the market analysis before we get into the weekend. And looking at these bearish times, man, on the crypto side, looking if we can see that there can be a possibility of a comeback, but let us do some weekly analysis on this intra-week chart. I'm looking at the daily chart, as you can see right there on the top, when it all began, this bearish trend that we have experienced this week. So today is the Friday. So since last week, Thursday, seeing a fall of the cryptocurrency Bitcoin, all the way from almost $40,000 per coin, all the way down to the level whereby the crypto or Bitcoin fell to $26,000 per coin. Okay. Now on Thursday, which was on the 5th of May, if I am not mistaken, the Federal Reserve Bank in the United States raised interest rates in an historical high. I'm not too certain about the numbers, but it was a historical high, and that has made the Bitcoin or the crypto market to take a plunge in this past few days, or in this past week, since Thursday until yesterday, Thursday, up until this moment here, that we can see a long-legged, candlestick pattern that has been formed. It's called a long-legged candlestick. So it also provides some sort of a sign of what's really taking place within our Bitcoin market. Looking at the technical side of it, the technical analysis of it, let us look further on now what it really says about this long-legged candlestick right here. Okay, right. Okay, it says, like on the notes that I'm reading from, it says long-legged dojis are reflective of indecision and stalling. Indecision and stalling. So there is no decision that has been made. So there's a lot of indecision whether to buy or sell. Hence, that is why I have my support here, right there at the bottom, right there at 26,000 per coin. And I have my resistance over right there at 32,000 per coin. So until I see either breakthroughs, and then we can determine whether the market is on the bearish or on the bullish. But since it has been on a bearish run, so I'll be expecting a breakthrough right there at 32,000 per coin. Currently, Bitcoin is trading at $30,000 per coin. Okay. There is also big news that just came out, and the biggest news are that the Terra Luna has melted down to a level. If I can I just want to share these news, but it looks like it doesn't want to be shareable. Okay, let me just take a turn here. All right. Okay, no, it's fine. All right. Okay, I can stop sharing here. Right, it's fine. Okay. Let me just share this news with you that I want to share on Terra Luna. Share the screen. Terra Luna is having a meltdown with this bearish trend. This bearish trend is so strong, man. It's such a strong bearish trend that we are seeing right now. Even the Terra Luna community are having a hard time getting with the grips with it. There's the news right there. I wanted to share right there. Things are not looking too good in the market, if I should say. Terra Luna blockchain halted again as crypto tanks 99.9%. Right now, currently, Terra Luna on coin market cap, I think it's at number, the stable coin for Terra Luna, I mean to say the UST, it's at 30-something thousand. And there's more news also on Binance having to halt the blockchain on Terra Luna as well. Okay, look at, okay, it was at number 33, and okay, I don't see it anymore. What happened here? It was it's that is it okay, there is it right there. It's at 39, number 39 right there. Look at that loss, 84.80%. Okay, it also says there. So Terra Luna is taking a heavy knock. Hence, we're seeing these news, these articles that are coming out now and again. This is the second time within hours that the blockchain has been halted. Halted means it has been stopped from operating. Uh, Terraform Labs informed everyone about the development in a tweet. Okay, right there you can see the major signs right there. The Terra blockchain has officially stopped mining at block 7,607,789. Yes, that's the number. I read it well. As percent, as per a percent, okay, as per a recent tweet, Terra validators have halted the network to work to come up with a plan to reconstitute the blockchain. To reconstitute, well, sometimes my reading can be a little bit sloppy. Please bear with me. There's the tweet that the Terra blockchain has officially halted at, the numbers. Terra validators have halted the network to come up with a plan of reinstitute it. The price of Terra Luna has nearly wiped out following a precipitous decline this week. The cryptocurrency tanked to 99.9% levels a couple of hours ago and is currently trading at 98.5%, down as data from CoinMarketCap at 8:30 a.m. IST on Friday, which is today. Why did Luno crash? Main questions. The cryptocurrency fell more than 99% during early hours of Friday as a result of the Terra USD algorithmic stablecoin depegging, de, 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 debacle, debacle. If I should like announce it like that, debacle. So hence we're seeing it at that spot at number 39, and then it just keeps on dropping down on the coin market cap. But how are Terra Luna and UST linked? The Terra ecosystem survival is dependent on the adoption of UST as a stable coin. Thus, Luna and UST are inextricably linked. Luna invests in UST and loses money as the demand for UST increases. Wow. Okay, long-term Luna supply may become highly deflationary, okay, which means opposite of inflation is deflationary, which means they are just, taking away the cash flow. With improvements such as Columbus 5, alternatively, if UST is judged unstable, the value of Luna may fall. So UST falls, the entire project falls as well because it's unstable. So they were hoping, because they invested so much in the stable coin as well. As a result of the wormhole hack, wow, there's also been hacks happening. UST lost its peg, temporarily lowering the value of Luna as we are seeing it right now. So this bearish trend or this bearish market is extremely, but people shouldn't panic, because after this bearish market, there will be a very, very strong bullish market going forward. Another news came out as well regarding Luna on the Binance side. Even the Binance exchange have removed Luna. Binance halts Luna and UST trading following meltdown. Okay, Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, has halted the trading of Terraform Labs Terra Luna and TerraUSD tokens on its platform following one of the industry's biggest meltdowns. It is one of the biggest industries meltdown. I went to the Binance exchange looking for Luna, but I could not find it because it's no longer listed by Binance, so it has been removed overnight. So they have stopped the blockchain for the Terraform. The exchange indefinitely suspended the trading of Luna and UST tokens across all its spot cross margins, isolated margins, pairs after the tokens lost nearly 100% of their value in a span of days. That's Terra Luna right there. This is a hard hit on the project, especially for those who have invested in it. People are starting to lose money. The move, which follows the exchange pulling support for trading of futures contracts for the Luna token earlier on Thursday, comes as Terraform Labs has increased the circulating supply of Luna tokens of to over 6.5 trillion, up from 386 million 3 days ago. I'll stop right there. Okay. That's the news right there that I just wanted to bring. Of course, things are not looking good on the market. $30,000 per coin looking at the BTC currently right now. But what can happen on this weekend remains to be seen. We don't know much what's going to happen. So my support right there, I would put it, like I said before, right there at, let me just repeat that, 26,000. But as soon as it breaks out of $32,000 per coin, hopefully we can see the coin maybe going up until to this level where it originally broke out because of the news that the Federal Reserve Bank have laid out last week, Thursday. So we shall see what happens on the weekend. If the market breaks through this cycle or this circle that I've placed here, hopefully we can start seeing some bullish trends for those who've been hoping for a bullish trend for a long time. I know people have been liquidated. I know people have lost money. Now Terra Luna has lost its position within the crypto exchanges, and which is the largest or the biggest crypto exchange in the world, which is the Binance. So things are quite not looking good when it comes to crypto, because of the Federal Reserve Bank has quite control over certain things thus far. So as soon as I see my breakthrough at $31,000 per coin, and my long-legged right here, this is my long-legged candlestick. So there is a little, certainty of what's really happening. Hence, I was explaining right here. This is a long-legged that I'm looking at, and then this is the traditional. So sort of like a similar chart pattern that has formed. It says, while the tradition and long-legged dodges are reflecting of indecision and stalling. Indecision and stalling. Okay, that's the statement that you have taken mind. So it's gonna take a long time before we start seeing an actual bullish trend forming within the cryptocurrency space. But this candlestick right here on this Friday, hopefully it closes on a bull run, because it has already started picking up on a bull run. Thank you very much for joining me. This is Empire Crypto TV doing new technical analysis on cryptocurrencies. Until next time, thank you and bye-bye.